So I still haven't found a campsite yet, but I found what looks to be a really awesome trail. So pulled off on the side of the road because the trailhead's full. I'm guessing for good reason. And we're gonna go see. There's probably not gonna be much to see because of all the fog and the haze, but I think it'll be pretty cool. This has really got me wondering what the views are like when there's no fog or rain or anything like that. Smoky Mountains are definitely smoky today, but it gives it a little bit of a different feel, that's for sure. I enjoy it. So I think just a little bit over halfway through with the loop, and once I'm done with that, I'm gonna get back in the truck and try to find a place to camp for the night. One of the roads that I was on earlier connects back in to the road that I'm pointing towards now, so I can just kind of head straight and see what we find. That's part of boondocking. All of the other campsites were taken, and then the one that wasn't taken was blocked off. So I think this is the actual summit. Yeah. It was kind of a shock to the system this morning when I woke up and it was in the 60s, the low 60s, like 61, 62 degrees. It's been 90 plus for the past few weeks back home in Alabama. So this is hoodie weather. I'm wearing hoodie, sweatshirt, sweatpants. I mean, it's beautiful. This is the kind of weather that I live for. So North Carolina, East Tennessee, y'all really have me thinking about moving here. All right, well, that's going to wrap up part 1 of this trip. Be sure to click the like and subscribe button and get that notification bell on so that you'll know when part 2 comes out. I'm going to be exploring this area in the Cherokee National Forest. So stay tuned, and I will catch y'all on the next one.